I was on my bicycle and a young man, he was coming out of the Starbucks, had just purchased Starbucks, was on his cell phone. I didn't know that at the time.
My older brother and I were on our way to school one morning, and as we were on Cave Creek Road, we were entering an intersection and a car T-boned us and we were rear-ended.
Like I've done 1,000 times, got on a skateboard. A gal just wasn't paying attention, you know, hit me, went over the hood of the car, through the windshield. It was pretty aggressive.
He hit me and knocked me off my bike. I went under his vehicle. He did not know what he hit, so after his tires went over my body, he put the car in reverse and backed up, which caused him to run over me again.
I sustained quite a few injuries, like a broken nose and internal bleeding.
It was such a bad hit that the police, I didn't have time for the police to show up. Hopped in the car, had to go immediately to the emergency room. Go in, see the doctors, full, you know, everything that goes with trauma like that. And this really put a hitch in my plans in about a half a year of my life with the rehabilitation.
Pain is a constant everyday thing that I have from this accident.
Gets kind of messy with all the paperwork, and you know, a couple months, 2 months, the doctor's bills start to roll in and in the hospital, and then dealing with them. And so I'd relay all that stuff to Tommy, and he had a gal working with him that super helpful. Just connecting all the dots.
Amy went after the insurance company as she did not accept the things that they were demanding and said, no, this is not acceptable. You're gonna pay. And they did.
Through the recovery process, he was able to help me with insurance and made an expensive and scary situation not so.
I have recommended Tommy since. I would definitely recommend him again.
They were very understanding. They went after the insurance companies like it was their own brother or sister that was in this accident, and they were well versed and knew what, oh no, you don't have to do this, or yeah, you do have to produce that.
I would say probably a total of 6 months before we had a definitive answer of who was going to accept responsibility, and then we talked about the settlement portion of it. After that, it was pretty short order, so I would say 6 to 8 months for something like that, of that scale, was pretty impressive to me.
They are an awesome law firm. My case was completely settled and finished, I'd say within 3 months.
And the settlement I got was above and beyond what I could have imagined.
Between him and the staff both, I would say, always felt comfortable. He's a regular dude, pretty relatable, but still a pro, I would say.